The future of work is not something to fear. Instead, it is something to understand. We are living through one of the most significant shifts in modern working life. And for those who are willing to adapt, this moment holds genuine opportunity. The path ahead is not about avoiding change, but about embracing it. According to the World Economic Forum's Future of Jobs Report 2025, work is not disappearing, but it is changing. Millions of new jobs are expected to be created in the coming years, even as many existing roles transform beyond recognition. The landscape is evolving, and the most important signal is not just about job losses or creation. What truly matters now is the focus on skills, relevance, and adaptability. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is not arriving in the distant future. It is already here, quietly reshaping the way work gets done. People who learn to work alongside AI find themselves becoming more productive, more capable, and ultimately more valuable in their organizations. This shift is not just happening somewhere out there. It is unfolding inside real organizations, shaped by everyday decisions: who is trusted, who is promoted, and who is seen as ready for what comes next. Standing still is no longer a neutral choice. Adaptability is becoming the new baseline. AI is no longer a specialty or a threat. It is becoming a baseline skill, essential for anyone who wants to remain relevant and competitive. Those who do not adapt are rarely replaced by technology, but by people who do. The future of work is not ahead of us. It is unfolding now. The real question is not what AI will do to work, but what we choose to do with it.